and Ted's house is located in the Silver Lake area of Everett, a community with great schools and a lot of commuters who work in the city. It's a tri-level that was built in 1985 with 3 bedrooms, 1 1/4 bath, and it's 1,500 square feet. It's been on the market for 7 long months. This house definitely looks like it's seen better days.
Yeah, it's struggling.
Hello.
Hi.
You guys.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thanks for coming out today.
Absolutely. I love that you guys are on such a cute little cul-de-sac.
It was our first house.
Oh,
We
that's
loved
awesome.
it. Was very happy.
We bought this and got married and ended up moving on. And
It's been rented for like 25 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just 2 tenants.
Well, I'm excited to see the inside.
all right, well, come on in.
Okay,
It's,
let's go. When we know that a house has been used as a rental, we come in with
Different expectations.
exactly. We will most likely find more wear and tear than you do in a typical residential home.
Holy moly. This is a lot of color.
It's a little dirty.
The trim's been
Yeah,
destroyed.
the trim here.
I don't remember that door.
I guess they decided to do that.
Can we open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the old garage.
This, though, is exactly how it was. Like, this wall was here.
Correct, but it wasn't painted purple or anything.
And then this is the back side of the old garage.
Garage, yeah.
And this is the
Storage.
storage room.
Okay, let's get out of this room. This
Okay.
room kind of is
Yes, it's
a little
cold and dark.
This is the you're in trouble, go to the back
Yeah.
storage room. I'm actually really excited to see the kitchen now. So
Whoa.
Look at this floor.
I know, I didn't see that till now.
this, it's just,
think
it,
it's just-
it moved.
I think, it's just
Oh,
coffee
God.
beans.
I know there are roaches. This place is trash.
Yeah, I think it's safe to say
Yeah,
this entire
yes.
kitchen needs to be completely overhauled.
You guys want to see upstairs?
Yeah, sure, perfect.
You lead.
The main bathroom.
Yep.
Okay. And
Oh
that's
my
good
God.
storage.
Leslie, is this permanent kitty litter on the ground? It doesn't look like they did a great job taking care of moisture in this room. So my thoughts in here, honestly, I feel very similar to the kitchen. Just got the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we've seen enough of the bathroom.
I've been in here long enough.
So this is the main room. It's the biggest room in the house.
This is a nice
wow.
bedroom, guys.
It's huge. Yeah, there's a quarter bath.
So this is a quarter bath and the laundry. So if the laundry was moved maybe to that utility or storage
room.
then you
Oh.
could fit a shower down here.
So this is the backyard. This is gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That covered patio.
May have seen better days.
Yeah. There's so much just basic maintenance that needs to happen on this house that I think we're gonna go and spend our money on those types of things. So you're gonna have to be okay not opening up the floor plan. No,
You're gonna have to be okay.
I'm totally fine with it. That backfired.
You backfired.
We'll probably come back together, maybe go see a house or two, and then come up with a plan.
Hello.
Hello. We're up here.
Okay.
We're literally a block
Yeah.
from your house. We are 3 bedrooms here.
Yep.
And 1640 square foot. So very similar to
Right.
yours. They have updated their surfaces, their floors, their countertops.
But I do want you guys to take a peek down the hall at the 3 bedrooms. I want you to notice our neutral paint colors,
Oh, it's nice and bright.
Yeah.
fresh flooring, and then also consistent millwork in the bedrooms.
Ooh, they do have an extra bathroom.
Yeah, that makes it a lot nicer.
So those are a little more modern.
Yeah, we need to do that to our house.
What'd you guys think?
Look fresh and clean.
You know what? That's a great way to put it. Definitely feels like you could move
Yes.
in.
Just having, nicer cabinets.
Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah, consistent countertop. It does make a big difference.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very
Awesome.
cool.
So I actually love this deck with
Yes.
the big backyard. I think it comes down to cleanliness, presentation.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really what we have to do.
This is a first-time homebuyer neighborhood, and we want to focus on getting people through the front door. So, for your house, we want to enhance the curb appeal by removing all of the unsightly overgrowth in the front yard and framing the house with the existing greenscape. Finally, we want to improve the facade by tearing down your back patio cover and giving the entire house a fresh coat of paint. And then inside, basically top to bottom,
Yeah.
floors, trim, walls, paint, and ceiling. In your kitchen, we're going for a full overhaul. We'll add new cabinets, flooring, and backsplash in a clean neutral color that new buyers will find bright and cheerful. And we'll try to figure out a way to make it at least feel larger. And then do a full remodel on the bathroom upstairs and the bathroom downstairs. For the downstairs bathroom in particular, our goal is to move the laundry elsewhere and add a shower to make it a 3/4 bath, which appeals to families, therefore widening our buyer pool for the home. Finally, we want to take your converted garage behind the fireplace and the adjacent storage room and combine them. We'll insulate, sheetrock, and carpet the two spaces to create one unified additional living space with a laundry room. This will also give us additional square footage that we can add to the listing of the house, which will increase our value and push up our asking price.
I would love to know what you guys think this house sold for.
580 or something. I don't know.
580?
I don't know. 560.
Wow.
Well, I'll tell you, it sold in 4 days.
4 days.
Yep. They had multiple offers on it, and they actually ended up selling just over 580.
Oh, I got it right. Wow, I'm shocked. 4 days.
Yeah, I know.
We've been trying for months over there, so.
Here's our thought.
Upgrade the curb appeal, reno the kitchen and both bathrooms, and convert that dead space into a bonus room.
We will invest $60,000 into the home. Our goal is to list it at a minimum of $500,000. Seeing this home, my gut tells me we'll go over that $500,000.
Yeah.
But let's say we list it at $500,000, we invest $60,000. That's $30,000 extra from where you were at $410 that will be left as profit. That would be $15,000 that we would split. I see that as a huge win-win.
That sounds fantastic.
Yeah, sign
I'm
me up.
Excited.
Awesome. Cool.
Well, thank you. It's all
Sounds
yours.
good.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
While Jeff and his gang are busy completely gutting the kitchen and both bathrooms, removing the wall in the garage storage area, and pulling out basically all of the floors in the house, we're scheming up design plans that will propel this house to the top of the market. But unfortunately, problems have started before even a single nail has been pounded. Ted and Teresa's house has taken a major leap. In the kitchen, the white shaker cabinets are in, as are the white quartz countertops. The light-colored flooring is going down in the kitchen and in the surrounding rooms, which will make the space feel large and more cohesive. Outside, the yard has gotten a major cleanup. The overgrowth has been trimmed to better showcase the facade of the house. And we've added gravel, beauty bark, and garden beds to give it a feel of a neighborhood park.
That looks incredible, Lyndsay. I can't even remember what was here now.
Tons and tons of leaves. I feel like we probably opened, 10 feet
Yeah.
of just
Foliage.
that was blocking.
We always say less is more with landscaping. We'd rather it be open and clean and very easy maintenance. Let's go get the paint and start inside.
Yeah.
Don't get it on the black.
I'm not. So we came here today to work on the fireplace. It's a really just unfortunate color of red right now. Doesn't go at all with our style. So just giving it a fresh coat of paint. We're going with a deeper gray and then going to do a really cool wood accent above it.
Ted and Teresa's house is getting so close to being finished. The converted garage storage area that we're making into a bonus room now has laundry hookups. The upstairs and downstairs bathrooms are coming along. Both are getting clean white subway tile installed. In the kitchen, we're putting in a beautiful deep blue glass backsplash, which will make that room sparkle like the crown jewel of the house that it is.
This was a really fun house to stage because we got to push the envelope a little bit more with funky style, a lot more splashes of color in here.
I love watching you guys move things.
I know. Actually, now we've got seating, eating, and a beautiful kitchen.
I love this because I feel like it gives a little bit of that Pacific Northwest feel.
Yeah. We got to bring in like our own photography in this one.
That was fun.
I wanted this to be a really fun, memorable, unique home for that first-time home buyer.
I think they're gonna be shocked. So
Me too.
This was a big transformation.
Huge. Huge. Let's go just make sure everything's fluffed, and then we're done.
Cool. Oh my gosh, here comes car.
Oh my gosh, it looks so different.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
It's so beautiful.
Looks like a brand new house.
Yay! I love the color.
Do
I never knew that the yard was this big, did you?
No.
We obviously got rid of a lot of just overgrowth. So
Yeah.
now, obviously, with the fresh coat of paint, just really makes it pop and feel like it's move-in ready. And when we think about first-time home buyers, that's really what they're gonna look for. So really taking them from the curb and making them want to go all the way inside.
Yes.
I want to go inside.
Me too. I'm so excited.
Okay, let's
here we
go.
go.
All right.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
This does not even look like the
This
same
is
house.
gorgeous. How did you get it bigger?
Wow.
I love that wood on top of the fireplace.
Really what my style here was, simple as in easy to maintain, like our floors. These are very durable floors, but then some sophistication, like our detail above the fireplace. So a first-time home buyer could really appreciate, I have a very simple home, but it's also sophisticated.
Go ahead into the kitchen.
Wow. This
my
is
gosh.
gorgeous.
Backsplash is awesome.
What do you notice? The awning.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It is such a nice big yard. We wanted to make sure that we spent some money really showing that this is a huge highlight to this house.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go.
What? A bathtub? Wow.
Come on in.
Oh
Way.
my
Are you
God.
serious right now?
And the laundry. Oh, look at this. Now, how many
this
houses
idea.
have laundry where you could be with your kids?
Right?
What an awesome idea.
We're starting a trend.
We're trendsetters.
Trendsetters.
Trendsetters, yeah.
I'm gonna go sit on that couch.
Okay, yes, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna go sit on the couch.
Okay, so let's go over some numbers. So you guys were originally listed at 410. Then we were gonna come in, put in 60,000 on the renovation. We ended up putting in 70,000 because of the dry rot. We will be listing the home at 500,000. That will give us a return after we get paid back the 70,000 of $20,000 to split 10,000 and 10,000. I think we have the possibility of pushing to 550, especially because of that bathroom, but I would love to still list at 500 to get that buyer frenzy through the door, get that excitement to push our price up a little bit.
Awesome.
Yes.
Great.
Above
I like
and beyond.
it.
Great for the
Yes.
college fund.
Yes,
Awesome.
I like it.
And I'm sure my girls would thank you very much as well.
Oh,
So
awesome. We're gonna get an open house going and try to generate some real buzz around it.
Let's do it. Let's
do
make
it.
some money.
Yay!
Not too dark of a blue.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I've actually lived in this neighborhood for 22 years. We just graduated college, so
Oh, wow.
we're kind of
Just starting to look, yeah.
Awesome. Well, congratulations.
We're kind of thinking about trying to get into the rental.
It's a great rental opportunity here.
Oh my goodness. I
Nice.
already love the fireplace.
I instantly looked there.
The colors matched really well.
It's cozy.
Overall, what do you guys think of the house?
It flows really nicely from one room to another.
Well, that's a big compliment.
Yeah.
For someone that wanted to purchase to live in or to rent, it's perfect.
Awesome.
Today we are de-staging and we are going to wrap this place up. Are you gonna help me?
Yeah, that's why I'm here. Hey, guys. You guys, I'm shocked how quick this house sold.
It sold so fast.
Sold so fast. Teresa and Ted received 4 offers within the first 2 days. We listed at $500,000 and we ended up under contract at $608.
How happy were the homeowners?
Oh, they were shocked. I actually was able to call Teresa and Ted and present these offers on Teresa's 50th birthday.
And the whole family was there, so
Yeah.
they all could celebrate.
Yep.